Hello and welcome to Avasam Insights. My name is Mark and I want to talk to you about how easy it is to add Avasam to your Linnworks account to get started selling with dropshipping. You don't even need to sign up for a free account beforehand, it's all part of the process. Once in Linnworks, if you open up the App Store, you can search for and add Avasam as an app to your account. When you open it for the first time, you'll be taken to this registration form where you'll be able to request the setup of your new account. Shortly thereafter, you'll get an email asking you to set your password and log into the account for the first time. Thereafter, when you open up Avasam from within here, it will take you into your account. A second, while I just accept those cookies. And from within here, you'll be able to search your products from within a catalogue, easily add them to your inventory using the source product button, and from your My Product section, you'll be able to export products from your inventory into your Linnworks inventory very easily. From there, once they are listed, orders that come through will be automatically passed into Avasam. And flagged as Linnworks orders. Once they've been paid automatically and dispatched, the system will then pass back information about the tracking to Linnworks, which will pass it back to the selling channels. When you first log in, you will see Ollie down the bottom corner here. He's our mascot. He also is our wizard, so he'll walk you through the first parts of setting up your Avasam account, such as sourcing products, setting up payments, and so on. Just as easy as that. So don't forget, we do know that you're going to have questions. So if you look at the top corner here, we have our support tickets here for you to ask questions. The help centre will give you access to our documentation. We have live chat that's open up during the day so you can talk to one of us and ask queries, or you can email us on support@avasam.com at any time. We're really looking forward to welcoming you to the Avasam family and to giving you access to all the hard work of our suppliers and staff. Take care.